Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I'm gonna talk about CATLY Airdrop. After watching this video, you will get to know whether this project is legit or scam. So watch till the end for full review. CATLY is providing 3% interest per day of your airdrop token, also on your deposited token. So if you don't want to deposit, you can still earn from your airdrop token. Before joining CATLY, let me tell you, you must need a Binance account to join CATLY Airdrop. Basically, they will send you some USDT on your Binance account and you need to provide the correct amount on their website. Basically, they implemented this process to reduce spam accounts. Now I will log into my account and tell you more about this. And believe me, this is gonna be so interesting. After login, in the middle of the circle you can see your today's earning, and if you go little bit down below you can see your current stacked CATLY amount. So for me it is 1000 CATLY. If you join CATLY by the link on the description below, you will get 500 CATLY as airdrop, and the airdropped CATLY will be stacked for 15 days. Then it will be locked until the token is released. From the airdropped stack CATLY tokens, you will get 15 tokens per day for consecutive 15 days. You will get total 225 tokens in 15 days. You can restack those tokens or you can withdraw those tokens. If you want to earn more by stacking more CATLY, you can buy CATLY with the price of 1 CATLY equals to 0.004 USDT. But I highly suggest you should not pay anything to this website, although they are paying in 5 minutes from when you are requesting your payment. Why I am saying this, you will get to know it soon. If you want to sell CATLY, you should have minimum 60 CATLY available balance, and you can earn 60 CATLY from your stacked airdrop tokens in 4 days. 60 CATLY is equivalent to 0.2 USDT, so you can earn 0.2 USDT in 4 days completely free. Currently, when you are requesting your payment, USDT being transferred from your CATLY account to Binance account in 5 minutes. But for future, I cannot assure you whether they will pay or not. Now I will provide my conclusion about this project, whether this project is legit or a scam. Please note that before investing, you should do your own research. So after login, if you click on token button, you will see so many details about their project on that page. Like, you can buy 1 CATLY at the price of 0.004 USDT and you can sell it with the price of 0.00333 USDT. Here you can see how many ways you can earn CATLY, and this is the most interesting part of their page. Here they mentioned they are fully audited by Solid Proof and their team's KYC done by CoinSniper. So let me show you something interesting. This is CoinSniper website, and if any project completed KYC with them, you can see it from here. So let me show you whether CATLY completed KYC with CoinSniper or not. As CATLY mentioned on their website, you will expect it to find it here. But surprisingly, you will find nothing about CATLY project here. But if you search only cat, you can see many projects related to cat, except CATLY. So this is why I think CATLY project is very big scam. So be careful before investing anything on that platform. Also on Solid Proof, you will find nothing about CATLY here. So let me show you by searching it. So guys, I think it's better to not invest in CATLY platform as they are providing misinformation to us. There is a high chance that in future this project will turn out to be scam. Guys, subscribe for more airdrop related information, and that's it for today. See you soon. Bye bye.